What are chamber bucks? Chamber bucks are a type of gift certificate redeemable only at participating Woodson Chamber member businesses. Present your chamber bucks to a member business as payment for goods or services. All member businesses are enrolled, but are not required to participate. It may pay off to call ahead to check if chamber bucks are accepted. You can call the Chamber at 620-625-3235 or email us at director@woodsoncountychamber.org and we can check for you if you would prefer. You must use the full amount on your chamber buck or the remaining balance is forfeited. For example, if you have $20 in chamber bucks but only spend $16, the remaining $4 cannot be used later. We recommend purchasing a gift card for the full amount of chamber bucks if you typically make small purchases at a business. For example, you can purchase a $20 gift card with your $20 chamber buck, then spend the money on several small purchases over time. Simply hand your chamber buck over to the cashier as payment for your purchase. The cashier will check that your chamber buck has not expired and write the date and amount you spent on the chamber buck. The member business will then turn the chamber buck in to the Woodson Chamber to be reimbursed for the amount spent. Chamber bucks ensure that money stays local and are a great way to shop local and support local businesses. Woodson Chamber gives out chamber bucks as prizes for contests and events. Follow Woodson Chamber on Facebook to find out about these opportunities. You can also purchase chamber bucks to give away at your event or as gifts to your employees, friends, and family members. Contact the Chamber if you have further questions or if you would like to purchase chamber bucks. Thanks for watching and remember to enjoy local.